Hi everyone, today I am in Brisbane in Camp Hill and I'm going to be taking you through this incredible home. I mean, just look at the facade. So let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, wow. I can see that there's a void down the end straight away, so let's go and have a look. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this fireplace. For me, this is already like a wow factor. Beautiful fireplace, and then it's open plan living. So you've got your kitchen, your dining, and your living area. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen, guys. I love it already because it's a deep navy kitchen island, and it's great against the white, so really nice contrast. And you've got your gold accents throughout the pendants and the hardware. This is my kind of home. Well, let's go around the corner here. This is your butler's kitchen. So you do have a double sink here, which is great because you can leave the mess down the end here when you've got guests. And then I've just noticed the beautiful herringbone floors. I love the color because it's quite warm, so it brings warmth to the house. Let's go around this corner here into the laundry area. So there is a door here, very spacious, love it. Windows here, and then you've got storage space in there. There is a door that takes us outside, just around the corner here. Let's keep going. Lots of pantry space, integrated fridge. Actually, there was a space in the butler's pantry that had space for a fridge. So technically you've got two fridges. And then around here, your dining and your bar area. So this is pretty cool. You can make cocktails. You've got your wine fridge. I like how they've got doors, especially if you've got a little one running around. Such nice high ceilings. Now over here is your living area. Obviously you can put a TV there. There's actually a really nice feel to it because you've got a balcony here with a little table that's set up. That will be so nice in the morning to have breakfast there. So you've got light coming in from that side and then light coming in from this side because you've got sliding doors that open right up into your alfresco area. All covered so you can use it all year round. A little kitchen area here, sink, fridge, and of course a barbecue. Then you've got your sparkly pool, little zone here for entertaining. You know what's missing? A fire pit. I'll put one right there. What do you guys think so far? It's such a beautiful home. Let's come back inside. I mean, look at this. You can go and look straight upstairs from there. That's where most of the bedrooms are. Now let's come back towards this way because across here, on our left-hand side, we've got a little mudroom area. So you can come in, leave your shoes, your coat. There's an extra storage space through there. And then your powder room. And then across here, this is where we came in. You do have also a little zone across here where you can leave your shoes. And then around the corner, study area and bedroom number 1. So this is a beautiful bedroom because you've got these French doors that open right up so you can get a really nice breeze, all the light coming in. Even if it's an overcast day today, it's still lovely and bright. Your ensuite and also a walk-in robe. Now, before we go upstairs, I just want you guys to know this house, so when you walk downstairs, that's where the garage is. And you can fit, I think, 3 to 4 cars. That's pretty amazing. Now let's go upstairs and have a look. Wow, guys. I mean, take a look at the size of these French windows. They go all the way up. So lovely and bright. There's a void here, actually. That's our front door is downstairs. And then there's a little balcony through here and bedroom number 2. Now this bedroom, similar setup as downstairs because you've got another balcony that opens up, and I would leave this open so you can get the nice breeze. There is an ensuite with a shower through there. and a generous size actually walk-in robe for a guest bedroom. Beautiful. Now this for me, I love this because it feels like I'm floating, because across here is the void. Now come here, have a peek downstairs. I mean, this void here is such a wow factor for, you know, when people come in, that's the first thing they see. It's beautiful. All right, let's keep going. Linen cupboard through here. Another bedroom. Actually, the bedrooms are quite good size. High ceilings up here as well. Great size window, cupboard. Now across here, there's a separate toilet. And then here's your bathroom. I love this bathroom. It's beautiful because it's very fresh. Gorgeous bathtub, his and hers sink, shower. But you know what I've just noticed? You shouldn't be scared of, you know, mixing your hardware up because you've got two different tones here, but they work beautifully together. I love that. Now come in here. This is another bedroom. I love this bedroom because it overlooks the swimming pool. Nice big windows again, and of course you've got your cupboard through here. But let's go and check out the master bedroom. So beautiful. All right, come. This is your master bedroom. Now the size is deceiving, guys, because it's quite long. So you've got a private balcony through here. So come on in. So we go down the hallway here, and then across here you've got your walk-in robe. Great size. There's a little makeup area in that corner there. And then let's keep going. Now take a peek inside here because I love the bathtub. So beautiful bathtub, toilet here with a door, of course. And as you can see, it's closed in because there's a shower right on the corner there. And then a beautiful vanity across here. I love the navy, which actually matches with the kitchen island downstairs. And this is your little office space. Beautiful window seat, gorgeous. And then anyway, what do you guys think? I love it. Now this house is actually for sale, so I'll put the details below. But thank you guys for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for our next video. Bye.